Hey guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Alecia's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be making my Barbie fried chicken and it's accompanied by potato salad, a Greek salad, avocado, corn on the cob, and some plantains. Guys, this dish was nothing short of amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Now, let's cook. So now guys, in a bowl, I'm gonna be seasoning my chicken. So now guys, to season my chicken, I'm gonna add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. This one is new, so okay, so Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna season that very well. I have me some Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, some paprika, and you're just gonna rub that in and make sure that everything is well coated, you know. No guys, this is a very messy job. Okay, you just want to mix all that seasoning in your chicken. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, so now that everything is rubbed in, I won't be marinating this because I'm very hungry. I just want to cook it as soon as possible, so set that aside. And so now that we set that aside guys, it's for your flour mixture. What flour is this? Oh, okay. I'm going in with a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. And you want to season your flour. To season my flour, I'm practically using the same season that I use for my chicken. Also gonna do some egg mixture. One large egg, some milk, and you just wanna whisk that out. Perfect. Okay guys, so now guys, it's time to coat my chicken, and I'm going in with my egg mixture first, then my flour. But guys, remember to shake the excess flour and remember to fry each chicken in batches if you're cooking more than the amount that I'm actually frying. And you're gonna fry your chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you're gonna cook the dark meat longer. And remember, do not overcrowd your chicken guys. Please do not do that. And remember not to overcook your chicken either, because we're gonna finish that off in the oven. flip your chicken just so it doesn't burn. And we're just gonna let this fry for a bit. Now guys, while my chicken is frying, I'm moving on to my potato salad, and I'm using these large white potatoes. I won't be peeling the skin from it, I'll just cook it as it is. Now I'll just be cutting them in these medium dice size, and yeah.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright.
So now I'm gonna just leave my chicken to soak, and yeah, I'm just gonna do some cleaning up. So guys, now that my chicken is ready, I'm taking them from that pot and I'm putting them on a wire rack just so the oil can drain. Then I'll be moving on to making my barbecue sauce. Okay, now guys, to make my barbecue sauce, I'm going in with some ketchup, just a good amount of ketchup, some oyster sauce, my sweet chili sauce. It's finished, so you know. About a tablespoon, no, not a tablespoon. I think I used 2 tablespoons of white sugar. You can use brown sugar if you want. I didn't have any on hand, so that's why I used the white sugar, granulated sugar. Then I also went in with about 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar. And I'm just going to whisk this around. And guys, I also went in with about 1/4 teaspoon of browning just to give it some color. Guys, now I'm basting my chicken with that sauce, and you're going to make sure that all the chicken is coated. Then we're going to put that in the oven for about 15 minutes. So that chicken soaks up all that sauce.
Jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true.
Okay guys, so now that my potatoes are cooked, I'm just gonna cut some onion. Actually, I'm gonna fine chop it, fine dice it, and I'm gonna add it to my potato salad.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go?
Now guys, now that my potato salad is ready, I'm going in with some red onion. I use red onion because it's a bit sweeter than, you know, the regular other onions. Now I'm just dicing that very fine, and I'm just gonna add that to my potato salad. That's perfect. So I'm gonna chop this some more.
Tomorrow feels a year away. Like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But in time, it's yesterday. Your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
I'm gonna add this to a potato salad.
The world is waiting.
And guys, we're gonna add our mixed veg, some green onions to that. Add our parsley.
Wanna catch in my photos where you go. Every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm
We're gonna chop our parsley. Mayo. Toss all this in. Paprika.
It doesn't matter if it's true. Gotta feel in love will give us what we like. The world is waiting.
See my eggs in there.
The world is waiting.
I'm gonna fold it in. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna let this rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, or until I'm ready to plate. Now guys, now that my chicken is ready, it's almost time to plate.
Tomorrow feels a year away. Like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
But first, I'm gonna make me some salad just to accompany my chicken and my potato salad. Now I'm just gonna be dicing some organic cucumber.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures.
Now I'm also going in with this large tomato. I was gonna make Greek salad, but well, it's kind of a Greek salad. Yeah, it's just without olives. And guys, I'll be adding my feta cheese at the end of the video while I'm plating. Now I'm just tossing my salad, just making sure that everything is well combined. And there we have it, guys. Now this is my plate. We have our Barbie fried chicken here, my potato salad here. I have a little Greek salad going on right here without the olives. Also have some avocado, some plantains, and my corn. And that completes my dish. Now guys, this is the end of another amazing meal. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and thank you guys once more for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos.